How to create an email account alias in Hostinger. So, let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. Next, you will need to click the Manage button under the Domains section. On this page, click the Manage Email button under the Manage Your Email section. Next, click the Mailboxes tab on the left side of the screen. On this page, you will see all the email accounts associated with your website. To create an alias for an email account, select the email account and click the three-dotted More option. Next, click the Create Alias tab from the drop-down menu. In this pop-up window, enter the alias email account. Any email sent to the alias email account will be directed to the main email account. Finally, click the Create button. And done. You can see that the email alias has been created. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful. Thank you.